All right, today we're going to talk about air fryer breaded chicken breast. This has become one of my family's favorite recipes. It's super simple and it's extremely fast. And it doesn't take a lot of ingredients either. So the first thing is in this case, we actually had 4 chicken breasts. We need to cook 2 at a time. But all you need is some eggs, a little milk, and some breadcrumbs. Now, what we used is these pre-seasoned breadcrumbs. You can also grab some panko breadcrumbs and some garlic or oregano or paprika to it or whatever you want to do, but season the chicken breasts and then cook them. The air fryer will seal in the juices and the flavor. It's absolutely amazing. It's one of our favorite recipes. So the first thing is assemble what you need to use. Get your chicken breasts. I recommend you rinse them first and then dry them off with a paper towel. Dredge it in a mixture of egg and milk. In this case, we used 2 eggs and a bloop of milk as if you were making some scrambled eggs. Mix it all up, but dredge the chicken breast in it. Dredge it in the breadcrumbs, and then put them in a single layer in the pot, the pan actually for the fryer. We had 4 we were going to do, so we did 2 sets of 2. You don't want these to overlap. You want the air to be able to circulate around them. And what you want to do is you want to put it in for 390 degrees for 10 minutes, and then 390 degrees for another 10 minutes. Be aware, just play around with this. Your air fryer may cook a little bit faster, a little bit slower. I've heard air fryers that can do 370 for about 15 minutes. Just play around with yours, see what it is. When the chicken breasts, you think they're done, stick the thermometer in, make sure they register over, about 160, 165, something like that. But the end result is breaded chicken breasts. They're not fried. They're actually baked. They're absolutely delicious. And the air fryer is so exciting because it seals in that flavor. Let them sit for a few minutes. In this case, we actually added some black-eyed peas and we added some green beans, made a meal out of it. It was fantastic. So let me know your thoughts below. If you haven't been here before, please hit the subscribe button. Leave me a positive comment below. If you've got a variation on this recipe, let us know. Share it with the crew. Thanks.